Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. Today I'm back with another sweet recipe which you can make either during Diwali or any other festivities. It is dates and nuts burfi which has loads of dry nuts in it. Let's look at the ingredients that you need for this recipe. Firstly, you would need a cup of figs or anjeer, a cup of soft variety dates. Then you would need a quarter cup of pistachios, a quarter cup of almonds, 2 to 3 teaspoons of poppy seeds, a quarter cup of raisins, quarter cup of Cashewnuts, and a quarter cup of walnuts. You would also need a quarter cup of ghee, 2 tablespoons of rose Gulkhand, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Firstly, soak the figs in water for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain the water and pat them dry. You need to grind them into a fine paste. You need to also finely chop all of these dry nuts and the raisins. After grinding the figs, it would look something like this. Next, you need to de-seed the dates and grind them as well. The dates paste is also ready. Now all my ingredients are ready. Let's start making the barfi. Into a pan, add in the ghee. When the ghee melts, add in the fig paste and saute for a couple of minutes. Next, I'm going to add the dates paste. Cook this until the mixture turns slightly thick. Now let's add all of the chopped nuts. Add in walnuts, pistachios, the Cashewnuts, raisins, and the almonds. Mix everything really well. This should take a couple of minutes. I just use these dry nuts for this recipe, but you could use any dry nuts of your choice. Now add in the Gulkhand, it really gives a nice flavor to the barfi. Add in the cardamom powder and nutmeg powder. Add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of khuskhus or poppy seeds. Now mix everything really well and check if you need to add more Gulkhand or cardamom powder depending upon your taste. The barfi mixture is now ready. I'm going to transfer it into a rectangular dish. Line the dish with some butter paper and apply some melted ghee. When the barfi mixture has slightly cooled down, transfer that into the dish. Use a spoon to level the mixture. Apply some pressure while doing this so that there are no gaps in between. Now set this in the refrigerator for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the refrigerator and cut it into square pieces. You can easily lift this with the help of the butter paper. Place this on a cutting board and remove the butter paper from the edges. I have some edible silver leaf which I'm going to put on top. Now use a knife to cut them into long strips. Cut them further into smaller square pieces. Don't worry if the burfis look out of shape just like mine. You can just use a spoon or a spatula and correct the edges and those would look really fine. The burfis are now ready. I'm gonna plate them. You can easily make around 12 burfis from this recipe. I'm going to sprinkle some poppy seeds and also add some pistachios for the garnish. Delicious dry fruits barfi is now ready. Since it is loaded with dry fruits, it's really healthy. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Do check out some of the other interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.